shoulder pain, solution number one. So you're going to do the thumbs up exercise. Thumbs up, thumbs down. So whether you have like frozen shoulder, or it's like you're in a limited range of motion in your shoulder, or frozen shoulder, or scapular pain like back here, even shoulder pain up here, you're gonna go thumbs up, you're gonna go thumbs down, thumb to the side. You go like this, and you're gonna rotate. You're gonna do this 30 times, right? 30 times. You can do it for both shoulders. This is gonna help exercise the muscles, the small muscles, tendons that are in that shoulder joint, and also exercises these muscles back here, because these also, you'll feel it flex up here. So do this 30 times, right? So 30 times is one session, right? You can do this at least 3 times a day. Make sure you follow me here for more of these awesome.
I came to see Jimmy for tennis elbow pain. Went to physical therapy for 3 months after surgery on my left elbow, and on my right elbow I was having the same pain. And I've seen him for about a month, and the pain in my right arm is completely gone. And the left arm, the surgery site is much better. I would highly recommend coming to Yin Acupuncture. I wasn't a believer, and I am now.
It's going to be Foodie Friday number 2. So we're going to talk about something I was talking with a patient today about food and dairy. We've all seen the ads with the milk mustache, and we all know milk does the body what, right? And so here's the thing. The facts are we've been brainwashed. Milk does not do the body good. Cow milk, goat's milk, animal milk is terrible for the human body. It is actually foreign to the human body. But some people are saying, "Oh, but I'm fine. I don't get symptoms from it. I don't get the diarrhea, the gas, the bloating, and blah blah blah." Right? Well, it's the same thing. You put medication, a chemical, or you put some chemical. You drink. I had a patient today that was in both Gulf Wars, and he was exposed to so many chemicals and metals. They don't belong in the body, and for someone who's not super sensitive to their body, they'll ignore the symptoms. But this patient, he was overexposed to these chemicals, and so now it's affecting his cognition, his ability to think and process data. Well, don't wait till that starts showing you symptoms that you start paying attention to what you're putting in your body. So milk doesn't do the body good. Milk is just like lead. If you were to put lead in your body, a little of it doesn't matter, because actually there's lead. I believe there's lead in like baby formulas, and just small amounts, trace amounts. But if you put enough of it, then your body starts seeing reaction, right? Well, you put enough dairy products into your body, then you'll start seeing a negative reaction. You may not correlate to GI problems. Because what dairy does is it causes your body to secrete mucus especially in the intestines, which is the beginning of an autoimmune process. So if you have an autoimmune disease, you definitely want to get off of dairy. So if we don't drink dairy, what do we drink, right? Well, what is your body made of? Your body's made of water, right? H2O. That's what you need. There's nothing that will replenish H2O. Doesn't matter if you put a little tea bag in there. That's still not. You're polluting the water, so to speak. Not to say tea is bad for you, but you need water. You need water consistently. How much water you need? Everybody says, "Oh, you need this amount of cups." Oh, there's a formula. You do it based on your body weight, your height. Oh, there's a square root of the body weight and the height to get your water intake. How about I simplify it for you? 3,000 years ago, they discovered a very simple formula on how to calculate how much water you need. I actually mentioned it in my book, Achieve a Life of Wellness. Okay, if you don't have it, you can go to Amazon, or you can stop by the clinic, get a picture with me, and I'll give it to you for free. Right? So I mentioned in the book the secret formula. It's 3,000-year-old formula on how to calculate how much water you need. Okay, it actually involves the toilet. You have to use a toilet into this calculation. It's very, very, it's simple, but yet very complex. So what do you got to do? every time you go to the toilet, okay, look at your urine. Just look at your urine color. Is it crystal clear? I'm not talking if it's pale yellow like this. We're talking about crystal clear. If it's not crystal clear, you didn't drink enough water. So you use your urine color. The secret formula is use your urine color to gauge how much water you need. So if by 3 to 4 p.m. your urine is not crystal clear, then the next morning you need to drink tons of water. But measure it out, okay? I always have this container and I measure it out to see how much water I need per day. And it changes, it varies today, from day to day, but it shouldn't vary too much. So measure it out, and then drink enough till your urine's clear. Then you'll know, okay, if I drink 5 of these bottles, then my urine's clear. Then I know every single day I need to drink 5 of these bottles. Okay, that's the secret formula, guys. Don't do some math calculations. You don't have to do some math calculations. You don't have to do the because the cups don't work. 8 cups, 8 ounces, whatever. Everybody's body is different. Everybody processes water differently based on your organ function. So use this simple formula, urine color. All right, guys, this is Foodie Friday. If you enjoy this, comment below. If you need extra help, you need help ASAP, give us a call. Achieve Integrative Health. We've got 2 locations to better serve you, one in Cedar Park and one in Central Austin. We're the #1 acupuncture and wellness clinic in Central Texas. If you want results, you come to us. It's getting late, but let's again achieve a life of wellness. If you don't have the book, Amazon, or stop by the clinic. All right, get a little photo walk with me, and let's drink some water. All right, let's achieve life, achieve greatness.